by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffer here and welcome to our comprehensive review of the latest flagship offering from Honor, the Magic 6 Pro. A phone that's been making waves in the market for its stunning camera and impressive features with a price tag of 4,000 dirhams here in Dubai. So let's dive into the details of what this device can offer. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Now let's start with the design and display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a high quality build that exudes a sense of luxury. Its design is a modern and sleek with a gorgeous curved screen that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. It's quite heavy though, weighing 229 grams with 5 different amazing colors launched globally with black, 2 green with different materials, purple and white. But here in Dubai, you will get the epic green and black. So which color do you like? Comment down below in which region you are watching. One of the standout features of this device is its 6.8-inch quad-curve LTPO OLED 2.8K display with 120Hz refresh rate, which is not only bright but also offers a top-notch viewing experience. The screen is one of the brightest around, capable of reaching up to 5,000 nits, making it highly visible even in direct sunlight. Now moving on with its performance. Under the hood, the Magic 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a 4nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 3.39 GHz, ensuring smooth performance across the board. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone can handle it all with ease. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at its core, the Magic 6 Pro is a beast in gaming. High-fidelity games run smoothly with minimal load times and no noticeable lag. The thermal management is impressive, ensuring sustained performance even during long gaming sessions. Multitasking also is a breeze on the Magic 6 Pro, switching between apps is seamless and the phone handles multiple tasks without breaking a sweat. The 12GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage and well-optimized Magic OS 8.0 contributes to a lag-free experience. Moreover, let's talk about the camera. The Magic 6 Pro has a triple camera array. It includes a 50MP main lens with a variable aperture, a whopping 180MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP selfie shooter with 3D ToF for biometrics sensor. This setup positions the Magic 6 Pro as a new king of smartphone imaging with the highest scores in the DxOMark, surpassing all the latest flagship smartphones, offering versatility and high-quality photos. The Honor Magic 6 Pro delivers a well-rounded camera experience. It excels in zoom, low-light photography, and portraiture. While there are minor inconsistencies with video recording, the overall image quality is excellent. If you prioritize zoom capabilities and strong low-light performance, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a compelling option. Moreover, battery life of this device is a big deal, and the Magic 6 Pro doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with large 5600 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports 80 watts wired charging and 66 watts wireless charging, providing 6 to 7 hours of screen on time per charge. This means the Magic 6 Pro can easily last for 2 days on a single charge for normal usage. Now here is my final verdict. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is an impressive flagship that competes with the best flagship out there. It offers a brilliant display, long-lasting battery, and a camera system that could rival Samsung's Zoom Crown. However, the Magic OS software has room for improvement, and the camera performance can be inconsistent at times. Overall, if you're looking for a luxurious phone with cutting-edge features and don't mind a few quirks, the Honor Magic 6 Pro might just be the magic you're looking for. Alright, that's our comprehensive review of the latest Honor Magic 6 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.